Is this massive creature, over 15 meters long, a sea monster? Or perhaps an extinct dinosaur? Surprisingly, this is Basilosaurus, an early whale that ruled the oceans about 40 million years ago. Why on earth did a whale evolve to have such a bizarre, elongated body? Reaching up to 18 meters in length, this creature boasts a thick, solid, and muscular body that is closer to a giant submarine than a slender snake. What's interesting is its swimming method. Rather than swaying its body from side to side like a fish, it navigated the sea by powerfully bending its spine up and down, much like riding a wave, just as modern whales do. In the marine ecosystem of its time, this creature had no rivals. It was an apex predator with a terrifying bite force of over 1.6 tons, capable of crushing the bones of its prey in a single bite. However, it had a fatal weakness. Because its body was so long, it was difficult to dive into the deep sea where the water pressure was high. Therefore, it mostly stayed in the sunlit shallow waters, ambushing its prey. Towards the back of this terrifying hunter's body, a truly bizarre remnant remains. It is a very small pair of hind legs, measuring only 60 centimeters. While completely useless for swimming, they are crucial evolutionary evidence that the ancestors of whales were originally four-legged animals that walked on land. Even this powerful hunter, the king of the shallow seas, ultimately failed to survive the massive crisis of climate change. As the Ice Age began and its habitat disappeared, it faced extinction, unable to adapt to the deep, cold ocean. However, the evolutionary record they left behind continues to live on in the whales that roam the oceans today.